So today guys, on this sexy NSX, I'm going to be swapping out this nasty bottle for this nice new 2 litre can, and I'm going to be swapping in my custom gearbox cables, gearbox shift cables. These bits here, put that on the intercooler, and that's what we're going to do today guys, a little job there. And also take off the front wings, have them welded where they've cracked just here. I'll show you, a little crack in there, weld them up. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's get it done, shall we? So that's off. I just noticed I've obviously got the one to go on the bottom there, which is that one, but it doesn't have a top one, so I need to put a top one on, which probably weld one of them on. Weld it up here or something. Put it in place and see where it comes out to. Yeah, and I've got the nipple for that on that one anyway, it's the overflow, that'll be right. So that's ready, put a nice little on there, get it welded on, and we're ready to make some brackets up for it. Got that bracket apart because I don't need that bit anymore. I'm going to smooth this off and yeah, smooth it off and get that one done up. Smoothed off, we can start making brackets up for that now. Bracket done on there, nicely. I'll go on there, as you can see, fit up there nicely, and I just need a bracket off the back, which I'll weld on with a little tab, get that done. It's held in there, so I just need to make a bracket from here to here now, which I might do off the back, and that should hold it nice and strong, stop it from going anywhere. So yeah, breaks that up. It's pretty decent to be fair. It's pretty decent. This is obviously scrap metal. Those holes are already pre-drilled, but I'm going to use that one. And this is going to go on there like that. I made that a bit smaller there so that I can not overstep the welds coming off the top, so I still keep that weld there. I'm just going to clear up the part I marked here with my finger, clean up that bit so it's going to get ready to weld on. So the up and down shift movement is this front one here. This is the up and down. You need to shift the gear lever up and down. Sorry, I'm at the car, I'm shifting the gear lever up and down, and the other one is left and right. But this one here is the up and down, which is on the front. Okay, so we'll take that off. I've re-tapped these for M6 because I don't know what they were, but they were very, very close to M6, but they were only going in about halfway and then stopping. So I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to go through both of them. This one's just been done, and they should go onto the cables nicely then. Right, this goes in. Haven't started tapping this one yet. As you can see, that's nicely done. What's that, Richard? This one's actually going in nicely. I haven't even, you know, really good. I've got an issue here now. These have a 6mm hole. They're M6 there, which is good. These are 7mm. Come on, you bugger. Those are 7mm, so I'm going to try and open them out if I can. How am I going to hold it? I'm not sure yet. Just made a lathe out of pillar drill since I'm not at home. And as you can see, that should now shift gear nicely. It's nice and tight on there. Let's get it on. What you have to do, eh? Shifter's centered, but I need to move those. I need to move them. I think where I want that one is going to be like up here, like there, and I can just bolt that one to that. And the other one, I mean that can go down a bit actually because I've got a bit of room there, look. Go down a bit. I mean the more I go down, the better it will like swivel. So I think that's got to go there roughly. And that bolts into something. Still got a few threads on the back for adjustment. I think roughly about there. If I tighten that up now, that should be fine. That's going to lock that joint in place. So that can move around there, you see the ball's locked in place, and now that can move around. And this one, pretty much the same. Get a few threads on the back. Wind that down. Locks the ball. One of these moves, this one isn't it, that moves. I think that should be alright with this and that, I'm hoping. Oh, I hope. This is a lot of fiddling, but basically I've got that much travel this end going all the way back, and I need to do the same on the other end going forwards. I've had to modify these. I'm going to have to make up new brackets off. Fucking hell, sorry. I have to modify. I had to modify these. I have to make new brackets coming off of here. So that one there is redundant at the back. I need to make one here, so that clamps onto, swivels. And I'm going to have to. So that one now there. You see, that's got a little bit of That's that one there, that's fully out forward. When it comes back, that bolt there stays in line with that bolt there, it's in the same place. I need to do the back one now, so let's get the back one done. Which way it's going to go, I don't know. To modify it as well, to make up 2 new mounts for it. It's in kind of the right place, though, that is, or this one needs to be like there. So I will modify it. I need to see where this one needs to clamp up to. That's all the way back to reverse, that's there. As you can see, pretty good indication that I can wind that back so that's in line with them, which is good, so I can do that. Right, and then all the way forward. That's obviously left or right. It doesn't really move that much. But I can pull the cable out, let's pull the cable out and see. This one needs to be modified, this one's hitting here now. I need to modify that one, because that is pretty much all the way out as far as it can come, but it's still not quite far enough to get there. Could adjust this cable a bit, take a bit off there like I did with the other one, and that will allow me to move it back a little bit, because when that's, see, take a little bit more off there, I can adjust the cable a little bit. I might do it off this end first, 10mm, and see. Okay, so with that all the way back, that's in line with that, alright? Now if I move it forward, let's have a look, and we've still got a little gap there, you see? Move it forward, move it forward. Okay, so that's all the way forward now, still roughly in the same place. What's this one saying? Still needs a little bit of trim off that one there. That should do it. That's done now, so that second one over there, if you can see, needs to line up in between the bolts, yeah, and that should be fine then to go. Plenty of travel on it, as you can see. You can always adjust them from these as well. And on here, I've still got a little bit of travel left on it, you know, there you go, a little bit of free travel on there, which is good. So that should do it. So I need to set this up roughly here somewhere. Okay, set this up roughly here somewhere, and that one needs to be set up roughly here somewhere. I hope it works. I really hope it works. I mean, it should have some movement on there like that, so it should work well, I'm hoping. And it's got a bit of a swivel on there too. One done. I'll go in there like that. Ball joint in there. And that will weld that onto the shifter. That should work. Right, so that's that pretty much. I think it's all going to work and still apply. Or I think. I mean, yeah, these were supposed to go the other way, but I'm not really sure if they will work the other way. I mean, I can do that maybe. Or I can still do that. Doesn't really matter. Well, that pushed it out there quite a bit. So if I was going to do that, that might work better. Or face it down. like it was before. That's worked a bit better, placing it down. And this one, again, it's quite straight there as it is now. If I move it, it's still quite straight there. Maybe I'll do that one like that and that one like that then. Just looking at how straight it is going through there, it's quite straight, and that's fairly straight going through there now, so that should work. That should work. Yep, that lines up with there, that's good. And this one, yep, that bolt lines up with that one there, that's good. We've got reserve. And then on the way back, should be perfect. Right, I've got it all sorted. It's made up, but again we're going to have to test it on the car. Really not the prettiest, but it should do. Need to get this side done now, one for in there. Right, that's that done. Just need to get it welded up. What I do is make this a push fan rather than a pull fan. So I'm going to fit it on this side here, and I need to reverse that. Guys, that's now it for today on the NSX. We're going to have to come back for the next one, get all this welded up. So I've done quite a bit today really in terms of shifter assembly, and its car's pretty much almost ready for, what do you call it, for, oh, what have I just dropped down there? Oh, my socket. It's almost ready for drive shafts and paint. So yeah, nice one. In the next one.